first one, experiment. I'm going to be calling this the Tuesday Tune at Noon. We'll be coming every Tuesday at noon here at Schlegel Bicycles. We're going to do some fast tunes, some little tips here and there. Today, we've got a customer here that's got a sticky brake. So what we're going to do is we're going to replace this cable. Hopefully we can knock this out pretty quick so we can show y'all. We'd like to do these 15-minute videos to give you real everyday scenarios, what we do here at Schlegel Bikes. Yeah, these cables, they don't last forever. It's just how things go. And when they get this bad, I like to change the cable, housing, cable, everything. Right now, today, I don't have anybody in the audience, but eventually I would like to have a live audience. If you'd like to come in and watch, kind of do like a lunch and learn. Let's see. Let's go back this way. And I can tell this cable is pretty bad. It's pretty gummed up, but we'll see. I'm gonna get this thing to go through there. It's like, nice sideline. Nope. Alright, that's alright. Again, this is experimental. We're just rolling with it. Change it up from week to week. help you out here. It's right there. It's right there. I wish I could have got that little clear hose through there. Just didn't want to start. These ones are real tight right here. There it goes. There it is. I see it. There it is. I don't know if you can see that down there. Let's just see if we can nab that thing. There it goes. Look at that. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Especially for the first time on camera. A little grease on here. There's a little grease in there. Those things get real corroded and rusted in there. I think my other camera's shut off, but we're still going. We're still going. Kind of got that cable trapped in there. There we go. That was what was in there, so I'm just going to put that right back in there. This tool is pretty cool because it's got this little poke right there in the end of it, so you can open up the cables. Wait, it goes in there real good. Okay, we're about done. After this, it's just wrapping the bar, but I think lots of people have their own techniques. I know I have mine. Maybe we'll show you that at another time. Today we're just going to do the cable. That's about all we got time for. There it is. We're all done. So, again, this is the Tuesday tune at noon. Every Tuesday at noon here at Schlegel Bicycles. I'm your host, Daniel Mesa. If you'd like to be a part of the live studio audience, you're certainly welcome. It's at Tuesday at noon, Schlegel Bicycles. Over and out. See you later.